This is the Nokia 7.1, the second generation of its hero mid-range lineup, a device that shows a lot of the global strategy Nokia is planning, which we're glad now includes the United States even more. Reporting from New York City, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's go hands-on. I just can't deny how impressed I am with the new Nokia, now under the helm of HMD. This is barely the second year the company has changed its strategy, and it's already reached the global top 10 and is top 5 in a crazy 25 markets. The company has three key pillars to define its product strategy, focused mainly on design, performance, and the best of Google. The Nokia 7.1, which you could also call the new Nokia 7, is a clear example of all of this. This is actually designed to be a compact phone that's easy to handle. We've got a beautiful glass in the front and the back with 2.5D curved edges for better feel. It's matched by one piece of aluminum with a die-cast metal core internally to enhance durability. The CNC machine chamfers provide two colors that serve the purpose of making it seem like jewelry, and which vary depending on the gloss midnight blue or gloss steel option that you pick. There's a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus LCD at 19:9 aspect ratio that looks pretty sharp. Nokia dubs it its pure display, which is not just capable of HDR10, but can actually convert anything into HDR, meaning even games can take benefit of this. Tucked inside, we have the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor, options for 3 or 4 gigs of RAM depending on the choice of either 32 or 64 gigs of storage respectively, and with support for microSD expansion up to 400 gigs. There's a 3060 mAh battery with quick charge through USB-C, and the company uses special tuning on the display to adapt to your environment in a way that takes the endurance further, aside from all the power efficiency that the 636 already provides. To match the looks, we have pure Android One running the show. This means stock Android experiences all around, with a very fluid operation regardless of the task. The device will ship with Android Oreo out of the box, but upgrades for Android Pie are slated already for the end of next month. Now, one of the coolest things about this phone is the camera package, mainly because it's really hard to find all this combo in one premium mid-ranger. We start with the fact that we have Zeiss optics, one sensor being of 12 megapixels at f1.8 aperture and 1.28 microns, with a secondary camera of 5 megapixels providing depth information. The selfie camera is of 8 megapixels at f2 aperture as well, and then there are some neat tricks that are rare to find in mid-rangers, like for example the fact that we've got dual-phase autofocus, HDR photography, a feature called Live Bokeh which has a slider to tone the amount of blur while taking a shot, and there's even selfie bokeh through AI. There are even manual photo controls tucked inside the settings, which again are hard to find in a mid-ranger. And probably one of the coolest things was the dual sight feature, which pretty much means a bothy mode, meaning you can share a story from both cameras at the same time, and the phone even offers an option for you to frame one angle larger than the other instead of the standard 50-50 if there's one thing that you want to highlight more than the other. So yes, this is the new Nokia 7.1. Pre-orders begin on October 5th on Amazon, Best Buy, and B&H at a starting price of just $349, and I'm talking about the 4GB, 64GB variant with dual SIM capabilities as well, and then it reaches stores on Best Buy on November 4th. I have to admit that I really like the package for the price, and mainly with this gloss steel variant which I find very unique so far. Let us know what you think in the comments about the new Nokia 7.1, and while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.